Since November 2017, the all-new BMW X3 is on the market. For this reason, let's compare the second-generation X3 to the new one. What you see here is the predecessor, the second generation. Next to it is the all-new BMW X3. One of the most visible changes is the bigger kidney grille. The grille vanes can be opened and closed, leading to better aerodynamics and fuel consumption. Eye-catching are the headlights. The third generation comes with new front lights. Striking is the so-called icon light. And also new, the design of the air intakes. Now to the side. This is the second generation, and this is the new one. With an exceptional drag coefficient of 0.29, it is reducing aerodynamic drag. This helps to lower fuel consumption. Let's have a look at the completely new rear. Most noticeable is the different rear light design. Furthermore, the third generation offers, optionally, full LED lights in a three-dimensional look. Moreover, the new X3 comes with twin tailpipes, giving the car a powerful appearance. Before we show you the main differences in the interior, let's have a look at the night design of both models. Quite a nice feature is the optionally available light carpet. It illuminates the way to the door. Now let's check the interior. The third generation scores with high-quality materials and excellent workmanship. Interesting is the instrument display. As an option, it is multifunctional and fully digital. Compared to the second generation, the center display in the all-new X3 is freestanding and has grown. It's 10.2 inches, and you can use it via touch, voice, gesture, and of course the iDrive touch controller. Another highlight of the all-new X3 is the optionally available panorama glass roof. For an airy and even classier feel, it reaches far over the back seat area. And now to a big asset of the BMW X3, the trunk. Compared to its predecessor, the X3 backrest can be folded down via handles in the trunk. The third generation offers a loading capacity from 550 to 1,600 liters. There is an underfloor compartment for additional stowage, the access of which is aided by a handy gas strut. These are just a few of many changes. If you want to know more about the new BMW X3, check out bmw.com/X3.